It's Thursday, March 28th, 2024, and I'm Dave Soap. 3 things to know today. The struggle of startups and companies with generative AI, not the panacea once imagined. Intel and Microsoft define the AI-powered PC, and the evolution of automation. How AI is set to supercharge RPA's capabilities. This is the business of tech. Today's episode is supported by CoreView. Your customers need your Microsoft 365 expertise, and CoreView has the only M365 management platform designed for MSPs. Manage hundreds of tenants, automate manual tasks, and monitor compliance, all while intelligently comparing to the baseline. With a no-code control approach, CoreView revolutionizes your Microsoft 365 administration. This powerful platform enables automatic reporting and remediation, ensuring optimal performance and security. The best part? You achieve this high level of service without the need for a large workforce, allowing you to focus on growing your business through efficiency. Want to know more? Visit coreview.com/MSP and find out more. Well, I'm not alone concluding that we've moved quickly through the hype cycle. Per reporting in Axios, generative AI, particularly chatbots like ChatGPT, facing criticism and challenges, putting the technology in the trough of disillusionment. Issues include embarrassing errors, concerns about intellectual property infringement, cost, environmental impact, and more. Some startups in the field are struggling, and companies find that generative AI is not the panacea they once believed. Here's a great quote. Gary Marcus, a scientist who penned a blog last year titled, "What if generative AI turned out to be a dud?" tells Axios that, outside of a few areas such as coding, companies have found generative AI isn't the panacea they once imagined. Quote, "Everybody seemed to come back with a report like, 'This is super cool, but I can't actually get it to work reliably enough to roll out to our customers,'" Marcus said. End quote. That said, per data from the Pew Research Center, the use of ChatGPT among Americans is increasing, with 23% of U.S. adults reporting that they have used it. However, regarding information about the 2024 U.S. presidential election, public is skeptical, with only 2% expressing a great deal or quite a bit of trust. The survey also reveals differences in usage based on age and education, and concerns about misinformation from chatbots in the context of elections. And while I'm on the company, TechCrunch is reporting that OpenAI's GPT Store, the marketplace for custom chatbots powered by OpenAI's models, is facing issues with spam and copyright infringement. The store is flooded with GPTs that generate art in the style of popular franchises, bypass AI content detection tools, and promote academic dishonesty. There are also concerns about impersonation and attempts to jailbreak OpenAI's models. The rapid growth of the GPT store has come at the expense of quality and adherence to OpenAI's terms. The National Telecommunications and Information Administration has released a report calling for independent audits of high-risk uses of AI. The report recommends improved transparency, independent evaluations, and consequences for imposing new risks. The NTIA believes accountability policies will boost public and marketplace confidence in AI systems. Assistant Secretary of Commerce Alan Davidson emphasized the need for AI accountability and an auditing ecosystem, drawing inspiration from financial auditing practices. Now, why do we care? It's shocking that technology isn't the solution to every problem. Shocking, I say. But in jest, care because navigating this is the value of an MSP and an IT solution provider. What you're looking for is to apply technology to your customer base in a way that makes them more money. It's actually that simple and entirely tricky to do. Which application balances the risk correctly of precisely what was named? Errors, intellectual property infringement, cost, environmental impact, and more. I'll keep reporting on good use cases to give you examples. Intel has shared details about what it means to be an AI-powered PC. Per reporting in Tom's Hardware, quote, Microsoft and Intel's new code-developed definition states that an AI PC will come with a neural processing unit, or NPU, a CPU, and a GPU that support Microsoft's Copilot and come with a physical Copilot key directly on the keyboard that replaces the second Windows key on the right side of the keyboard. While Intel and Microsoft are promoting this jointly developed definition of an AI PC, Intel itself has a simpler definition that says it requires a CPU, GPU, and NPU, each with its own AI-specific acceleration capabilities. End quote. And from Engadget, Microsoft's Copilot AI service is set to run locally on PCs, requiring next-gen AI PCs with built-in neural processing units with over 40 TOPS of power. This move aims to decrease lag, improve performance, and enhance privacy. Copilot runs mostly in the cloud. Local computing capability can process smaller tasks more efficiently. Intel and other companies are working on developing processors with sufficient power for Copilot, such as Apple's M3, AMD's Ryzen chips, and Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite. Adobe and Microsoft are partnering to bring Adobe Experience Cloud workflows and insights to Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365. This integration will assist marketers in overcoming application and data silos, streamlining data tasks, and enhancing productivity. Partnership aims to deliver contextual marketing insights, create campaign briefs, and provide in-context notifications and summaries all within the Microsoft 365 applications. And speaking of Adobe, the company has introduced its new Gen Studio platform. This AI-powered ad creation platform aims to simplify the use of generative AI tools for building marketing campaigns. Gen Studio is a centralized hub for promotional campaigns, offering brand kits, copy guidance, and generative AI-powered tools for creating ads across various platforms. The Gen App Studio is currently in alpha, with general availability expected later this year. Why do we care? I believe AI PC is marketing hype right now. See our previous story about why we're still figuring out the right applications. That said, I'm open to that changing. At least the definition is now here. Now, an obvious use case is marketing applications. Do you need an easy one for most customers? That's flirting with possibly all customers? Well, there's one. I wanted to hit another topic today as I'm clearing the decks of AI stories. Runtime examines how robotic process automation, or RPA, is reaching an inflection point as enterprises increasingly look to leverage generative AI technologies. RPA allows companies to automate mundane tasks, but its limitations have led to the exploration of AI solutions. RPA vendors are experimenting with generative AI to enhance accessibility and scalability. According to Forrester, the RPA software and services market is expected to grow to $22 billion by 2025. Still, growth is slowing down as companies increasingly look to AI to solve these problems. Why do we care? RPA plus AI is a winner. They'll likely merge completely too. I love it too because it's all about productivity and enhancing workflow. Prime real estate for solution providers.
Looking to reach an audience of thousands of MSPs and IT service providers? Put your ad right here on the Business of Tech and be on the show that 64% of MSPs report having listened to. A recurring top 50 tech news podcast, there are affordable options for you to reach our audience, and we can support any budget. Podcast listeners are more engaged, have a higher level of brand retention, and are more willing to listen to ads here than any other avenues. Want to know more? There's information at mspradio.com/engage, including a button to book a time to talk. I'm looking forward to that discussion.
Thanks for listening. For those that celebrate the opening day for baseball, I am one who celebrates. I'll be at the home opener for the Nationals on Monday, as it's very much my happy place. Have a question you want answered? We do take listener questions. Send them, ideally as a voice memo or video, to question@mspradio.com. I answer them live on our Wednesday live shows. And yes, there will be one next week, 3 p.m. Eastern. Got a comment or a thought? Put it in the comments if you're on YouTube. Reach out on LinkedIn if you're listening to the podcast. Talk to you again tomorrow. The Business of Tech is written and produced by me, Dave Sobel, under ethics guidelines posted at businessof.tech. If you like the content, please make sure to hit that like button, follow, or subscribe. It's free and easy and the best way to support the show and help us grow. You can also check out our Patreon, where you can join the Business of Tech community at patreon.com/MSP Radio, or buy our Why Do We Care merch at businessof.tech. Finally, if you're interested in advertising on the show, visit mspradio.com/engage. Once again, thanks for listening to me, and I will talk to you again on our next episode of The Business of Tech.
Part of the MSP Radio Network.